Hey everybody, this is Brad Desi with the BSD Real Estate Group. This is probably going to be our last market update for 2022, so I want to cram a fair bit in a short amount of time. So I want to touch on what's been going on in the last month or so. You've been watching inflation. Inflation is what caused our rates to soar so quickly into the 7%. You know, we started the year off at 3.25. Tuesday, they announced that inflation was now at 7.11%. We did max out at 9. So the trend is a downward trend, which is great. And as of this week, interest rates are now at 6.125%. This is what we need. So another indicator we need to be aware of is the 10-year treasury yield. Why do we need to watch that? Well, it's closely linked to mortgages. And right now it's at 3.481%. At one point in time this year, it was well over 4%. So that's also trending down. Again, that's also going to help us with the fixed rate mortgages. And we're looking for this to continue into 2023. So with inflation trending down and the 10-year treasury trending down, we're looking at rates to continue to drop. And actually we're hoping, and all signs are looking good, that we will be in the 5s by next year, probably around the second quarter of 2023. And so that's a good interest rate for most buyers. They can tolerate that. Anything above 6 has been difficult for most buyers right now. So what are values doing right now? Well, we're in a very, very strange market. Inventory is down. And that's typical for this time of year, but we still see homes selling even in December. We have low inventory, which typically has driven values up, or at least hold stable. We're not seeing that happen. Low inventory is what has been driving our market for the last 4 or 5 years. But the buyers right now are very shrewd. They're not jumping on homes they see come on the market right away. They're watching, they're looking, they can see the market is softening, and they're waiting. 43% of the homes in Southern California that went into escrow had at least one price reduction. That kind of tells you what's been happening.